Guangzhou Anern Energy Technology Company Limited is a diversified company providing scientific and technological innovation, energy applications, being committed to improving the living environment and international cooperation by energy-saving technologies, efficient lighting, green energy, and international finance. Anern always keeps a deep insight into customers' needs, integrating the advanced technology and professional design into every solution, with many satisfied clients around the world. Over the past years, Anern has gained a rapid growth and will continuously dedicate to becoming an inventiveness company in solar energy application and LED lighting field. Our main products include solar power systems, solar street lighting systems, various solar applications, LED streetlights, LED indoor and outdoor lights, LED commercial lights. Our wide business scope, covering various solar applications and LED lights, provides you with diversified clean energy solutions. Our professional and experienced R&D team combines the up-to-date technology into every product design, offering strong technical support for clients' customized needs. Our reliable quality products and after-sale services make Anern a reputed brand worldwide. We supply quality products, competitive prices, fine services, long-time warranty, and full technical supports. Looking forward to entering into cooperation with you. Any comment or inquiry from you will be appreciated and welcomed. Anern will create a future with our global partners.